Hey, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will start the discussion. We will discuss on the configuration of the sales document type. We will see how we can configure a sales document type. I will start from the scratch. Transaction code we will execute VOV8. Guys, remember T code will remain same. VOV8 transaction code is to navigate to the sales document type overview screen. Okay. Execute the T code VOV8. Before starting the configuration, I'll tell you one important thing, guys. Okay, this is with respect to the configuration and the mapping of the different sales document type. Okay, always remember mapping in SAP. Mapping is very important. Mapping and nomenclature. Remember, it is very important to have a perfect good mapping and good description. It will always help to find out a good report, to identify, to segregate the data. This is called a good practice, guys. Okay, this is called a good practice. For example, if we want to create 2 or 3 different sales document type for the different business process, for example, uh, we are creating a standard order type. What we can do, standard order type will remain as a OR. We will copy from the OR. We will create as a ZOR1. This will be the standard sales order. You can give the description as a standard sales order. Later, you can change the description, but you cannot change the code that has created in SAP. Remember, description can be changed, but you cannot change this 4-digit code. Let's try to create, guys. First, I will check whether ZOR1 there or not. Then I will create a ZOR1. So ZOR1 is not here. Click on the position. Select the standard document type OR. Click on copy as. Remember, always create a document type by copying a standard document type, because this is a part of the structural data, metadata, guys. It's a metadata. If you are creating a sales document type by clicking on the new entry, this is the new entry, guys. If you are not copying the standard or delivered object, you are just clicking on the new entry, you are creating your own document type. System will allow you to create, but this will not work, guys. Irrespective, you have updated all the fields, this sales document type will not work. That is why SAP recommends to copy from the standard object and create a new one. Okay, I'll click on the cancel. Click on the position again, select the standard document type, click on copy as. Now you can give here in place of the OR ZOR1 standard sales order. I can add here the sales word standard sales order. Okay, fair enough. Sales document category. Remember, since we have copied from the order type OR, everything has copied and got updated here. This will remain C only because C stands for standard order. Remember, okay? C stands for standard order. Now in this, remaining all the controls we have already covered. I will just explain you the significance of this field and what you can do, whatever the number range that business has approved, update that number range here. Update that number range here. Okay. In place of the 01, business has told you that the number range object, for example, Z1, the number range object Z1 is having the interval. I'll show you here. The number range object Z1 should be having the interval from 10,000 till 99,000. This should be the number range for the sales order document type, and for this number range object, then what you will do, you will update this number range. How we can configure the number range, I will cover in my next video, guys. I will cover in detail all the number range scenarios. I will cover, guys. Okay, so what we will do, we will assign this interval to this number range object Z1, and we will link the Z1 here, guys. Once we will link here, we will press enter and say system will allow to save. Since currently this number range object is not available, we will move it back to the original. Okay, you have seen one thing here. Okay, you have seen one here relevant for the copy control. I'll go back and I'll come back again. I want to show you that important parts. Or click on copy as ZOR1, enter. Can you see this? Sales document type ZOR1. Is this entry also relevant for the copy control? You should select as a yes. The reason is, if you are selecting yes, by default, system will establish the copy control enablement, copy control setting for copying the data from sales order to delivery document. This is the significance of this pop-up, guys. I will cover when I will be discussing the copy control setting. I will be covering this in detail. What is the significance of copy control? What are the use of different routines at the copy control level? How the copy control works from the sales order to delivery, then from delivery to billing, how it works. So that I will be covering in detail. Till that time, guys, remember, whenever you are implementing a project or you are working on a change request and it is a process development, then you'll be configuring a sales document type based on the business requirement. Then as soon as you'll be configuring, system will prompt you, is this also relevant for the copy control? You need to select yes. This is relevant for the copy control. Select yes. In the background, what system will do? System will establish the copy control with all the different delivery types, guys. All the different delivery types. And whatever the default delivery type you want to keep it here, you can very well keep it here, guys. In place of LF, you want to keep here as a ZLF, you can keep it here, guys. Okay. Click on save. System is not allowing to save, guys. I will check with the vendor why system is not allowing to save. I will check. As soon as you will click on the save, system will prompt a TR, transport request, guys. System will prompt the TR. That TR you can save that TR will be called as a customizing TR, guys. Customizing TR. There are two different transport request type. I will put more light on that. I will cover the different aspect of moving the changes. Then we will cover that. But for the time being, remember, whenever we record the functional changes, we record the functional changes in the customizing TR. In the customizing TR, guys. So this is how we have saved, we have created and configured a new sales document type, guys. Okay. Yes, I want to save this change. Now system allowed. So what I will do, this is the TR, guys. Click on the create request. I'll give you the request, sales document type configuration, sales. Now remember, in case you are working on a project, give the project name first. For example, project name is triple X blue. Then give the TR detail. Okay. First give the project name. In case you are working on the change request, give the change request number CR triple X 109. Give the CR number, guys. It's very important to give the CR number or project name as a prefix. Remember, guys. Save. Continue. So these changes has recorded in this customizing TR, guys. This is called the customizing TR. You can see customizing request. Changes are saved, guys. Changes has been recorded in the TR. Alright, guys. That's all for this video. I'll see you all in my next video with a new content, guys. Guys, if you have liked my video and it is useful, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel to get the notification of the new video, guys. Thank you and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video.